Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is my sourdough starter. This starter was born and raised in this crock right here from Oscar's Bakery. This sourdough starter kit is awesome. It comes with everything that you need: a 40-ounce glass crock, a thermometer strip that you can place on your jar to know what your temperature is. There are two of these cloth caps that are perfect for covering the starter but allowing it to breathe. There's chalkboard labels, a chalkboard pen, a spatula, and even a lid for storing it long-term in the fridge. So this came with very clear instructions and a total step-by-step walkthrough on how to prepare your starter at first. Basically, this is a mixture of flour and water, and these directions use a combination of rye and all-purpose flour with your water. Each day you feed the starter and discard 2/3 of what is in the jar. And you continue doing this until your starter is ready. That discard does not go to waste. There's also an included recipe for discard pancakes, which was super delicious, and there's lots of other things you can do with it as well. I was so impressed with this kit because the instructions are so easy, and I had a successful bread making experience for the first time, and so I was really happy with it. So my sourdough starter has been alive and well using this kit from Oscar's Bakery, and I'm so thankful for the clear directions and really easy to follow instructions. So if you are looking to get started on your sourdough starter journey, I would highly recommend this kit from Oscar's Bakery. The instructions are so clear, easy to follow, and it has everything that you need to get it started and be well on your way to baking bread. And that is my point of view.